Alright, next we're going to add some ketchup. First you need to make sure the ketchup's open first. Because I use this by itself. So it's nice and flavorful. That looks nice and beautiful. You know, the grilled pork, and the sauteed pork. Turn the stove a little bit. So I could put some more of the skin and seasoning on there. Alright, see that? Come on up. Collard greens fresh from the garden. Yes, family, it is late at night. Just come back in from another work trip, you know. But boy, I might tell them I'm hungry, you know. And I'm here alone still, the whole family hungry, so yeah, man, I'll cook up something quick and fast, you know. Yeah, man, I have some leftovers. I'll make a nice little recipe from it. So I have some pork on me grill up the other day. That's what I say. I can use that. I have some cabbage, and then I will saute that down. Alright. So I'm going to stay tuned and watch what I go on this late night cooking, because wow, we're peckish right now. So stay tuned. You saw me and them look tired? Yeah, man. But still have to give thanks to this. So I'm going to stay tuned. Alright. I will show you the final product. Yes, family, as usual, what I say. We don't waste nothing. So right now, we have some of the pork left over from when we cooked the last time. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it up with we're gonna saute that down. We're gonna do some cabbage. Then I'll work on some, what do you call it over there? So, some collard greens, fresh from the garden. So what we're gonna do, we can pork piece them now. We're gonna slice them up. And then we're gonna saute them down. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, kind of slice them up in cubes. Drop them in here, as you can see. Because even leftovers are the best leftovers, you know. Only know what they say, because just you know, I come up with them slogan here. A patent no wonder, by the way. Leftovers are the best overs. Alright? So yeah. So as I said, we'll slice them up. Cube them up. And we're gonna saute these. And then we're gonna have some veggies as we back up. Right? Man?
Yeah.
Yeah. You what she said? She don't like veggies, you know, people. She don't like veggies. Anytime I say veggies, she look for me strange. So she eat it still, but she's not a big fan of it as I am. You know, like veggies, but like the veggies mixed with the meats. But that's what I say. So after the cookings, you know, so the food cook already, we just saute it up and reuse what we cook already. All right, so we're gonna finish this up. Cut this up. This is the rest of the pork we have left. We're gonna finish cut that up, and then we'll cut up the cabbage, and then we're gonna finish up the saute. All right, so I'm gonna stay tuned. So everybody there are starved, so they are gone. Do some late night cooking. Then mad behind the camera because she don't want, she hungry and apparently in time I left, nobody know how to cook, so. Nah, I'm just kidding. So yeah, no, we have used some leftovers, that's what I'm say. We're gonna make we're gonna saute some of the pork we have left over from the grilled pork we do. So just cut up some veggies. That's gonna go with the saute. I'm gonna cook it down. So I said nothing go to waste. And I make sure so I do this right, so I'm gonna cut my finger. So we have some tomatoes, have some onions, we have some peppers, some garlic, some thyme, some scallion. As what I said, we're gonna just saute it down and then stir fry. Stir fry it down. Alright. So right now we're just gonna cut up the seasoning. That's my chef works right there. Alright. So we got some tomatoes, some onions. Right now, as I'm selling, she put up the greens already, collard greens, fresh from the garden. I grew it myself. I'll drop a couple of pepper in there. Not a lot, just a little. Not so much for the spiciness, but for the flavor. Not too much.
It's not.
You say that no. Then when it's hot, I get blamed for it. Alright, have some pepper. We have onion and pepper. So we'll get some scallion some time, cut that up, add that in there, and then we'll drop it at the stir fry. So stay tuned. Alright, then I make collard greens. Eat there. She's cutting up the greens and we go on. Throw that in the pot, season it up. That's fresh from the garden. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll drop this in the pot after she finishes cleaning it up. Just gonna cook some cabbage separate from everything else. Just gonna slice it up. We're gonna get the saute ready. Butter. They're all nice and melted. Butter's almost completely melted. Next, we're going to add some garlic. Have some minced garlic. Get that good, nice flavor. in. Alright, now we have the rest of our natural seasoning. Alright. Now I'm gonna use all that now. Let's see if some of this for the cabbage as well. The rest of it I'm going to have the cabbage. Get that sauteed on. A little bit of a secret seasoning in there. Don't need too much because the meat cook already. You need season already. Drop a little bit of the Cajun seasoning in. Just a little toast. Stir fry it up. Alright. Alright, next we're going to add some ketchup. Of course, you need to make sure the ketchup's open first. Got some ketchup in there. A little bit of chicken broth. It's gonna make a nice little sauce. Yeah. Chicken down. A nice little broth going. Okay, look, nice and beautiful. Could I eat this by itself? Right, Lynn?
Yeah.
Alright, sauce nice and flavorful. Now we're going to add the pork. So that looks nice and beautiful. You know, the grilled pork turned into sauteed pork. I tell you something, nothing I got to waste, you know. Got that. Looks nice enough, huh? But we can turn on the stove a little bit. Sauce will soak up the seasoning. Alright. Oh yeah. Look, I can put some more of this Cajun seasoning on there. Just to kick it up a notch. Little bit of spice. The pork. It's still alive. All right, we're almost there. Cover this down. This is our final cover. Oops, too big. Too small. All right, see there? Cover down. The greens there. Collard greens fresh from the garden. Yeah, man. It's almost done. So once this is done, once the greens done, we're gonna take that off and we're gonna drop on the cabbage. Finish up the cabbage. Alright? So stay tuned. Alright, so I get ready to put on the cabbage now. So same thing. Got some butter in there. Alright, get that melted out. Got the cabbage and seasoning in there. Let that start mix up in there, you know. Spool a little bit. Alright, and we're gonna drop some seasoning in there. Alright, seasoning in there. Let that stir up. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'll drop the cover upon that and make it go and cook down. Alright, so we don't know cabbage already, you know, so we'll make it on, put it on water and things, so I'll make that cook down for a little bit. Still go on over here, so yeah man, almost done. And so the pork there. Pork ready up. Yeah man. So I'll make the cabbage go and cook down. And then check in everything ready up. Alright? So yeah man, I'm going to see it. Alright, we are done. There's the pork. There's the cabbage. Collard greens, a little bit of tops of rice. Yeah, so that is it now. Yeah man, we are done for the night. Little quick cook up, right? Little leftovers. Yeah man, we're gonna finish that. So until the next time. Well, now I'm gonna say we eat, I wonder. But check in next time. Alright? Quick cook up. Yes, family. Boy, food is nice, you know. Yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in. As I say, a late night, so I'm tired. I'm going to get some sleep, but you know, yeah, so it's going on. We can't go to bed hungry, you know. you know. So quick and fast, we just set up a thing, you know, some pork with some cabbage, yeah man, sauteed down with some greens and thing with some rice, you know. So even though I don't recommend eating too late at night, but we can't go to bed hungry because we don't want to starve to death now we sleep. So yeah man, thanks for tuning in. We know it's late or early in the morning, so I will catch you guys on the next one. Alright, stay tuned to the channel. Alright, and God blessings, and I will see y'all on the next one.